Okay, so I've been learning to make games and put them on a website with the Unity. I did make a couple of games, but I deleted them, so I'm just going to start from scratch. Why did I delete them? Because they weren't working right anyway, and it was cluttering up my... Okay, so then I installed Unity Hub, and you can also adjust if you need to. You have versions, so you can do that if you want to. And then I think you can even make stuff for the PS3. I have a PS3. I wonder if I could make a game for PS3. Okay, so, but I'm learning. So down here I haven't gotten this far, but I did download the puzzle kit, and it's just a blank. It's nothing. Just have a blank thing. So these up here, these are already made. Okay, so let's go ahead and open that. After waiting forever, you finally get your game. Okay, so, and it comes with a tutorial, which I closed the tutorial tab, but trust me, it's pretty neat. Okay, so first thing I did is basically just play the game, and you have a build here. You can actually move your game. Move that over here. Okay, so I can see both the game and the build. And then, hold on. Okay, so you get it where you want it. Okay. Then you can play your... Man, that's super loud. Then you can play your game. I should probably turn that down. That is super loud. Okay, so... Then you crash into stuff. And then... Okay, I didn't say I was an expert at playing games, but there you go. Okay, and then you finally build your... Okay, so the only way I know of to get it onto your website, it's this thing called Simmer, and I was instructed to adjust my player settings to where I don't compression format, none. So okay, so anyway, and once I did that, I was able to close that. Okay, able to build, and again, I'll spare you the wait. Okay, so once you're done, so what did I say? Build first simmer. No, stop. Okay, and then once you're done, you can click and drag. Pretty simple. Okay, now having done that, you can now put it onto your website. So this, I mean, this is super easy, y'all. Okay. If you don't mind waiting on your slow ass computer, it's super easy. Okay, alright, so all I'm going to do is copy and paste the code. Okay, copy the embed code and do something with it. Copy and paste. Alright, same when it says copy code, this is all you're doing is copying it to the clipboard. Alright, so what I've chosen is called WebNode. Among the thousands of website builders out there. Now I can go down to my thing. I already put a section there, so all I have to do is update it, but it's pretty easy to paste in your embed code. And that's it. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Okay, so let's see. Here I'm at games. There's my web address. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna actually play this game. And, oh, there he goes again with the, that's loud. That is so loud. Okay, I'm gonna play the game. Oh, I crashed into a wall. Maybe not. Let's try to play it for real. Yeah, this is kind of boring. Actually, I should just end it. No, well, I started it. I ought to finish it. Alright, come on. It's just like generic trees. Yeah, I won. I came in first among one player. Okay, so also the this comes with it. So that's basically, actually, I don't know if that's pulling from the Unity file or if it overrides your options in Unity. I'm not sure. So, alright, so here we get to the personalization thing. Oh, that rumbling in the background, that is my game playing in the background. I can just ignore it for now because it's just, never mind, it's distracting. Okay, so here's a bear. There's some other, lots of objects. If you do Paint 3D, which comes with Windows 10, you have lots of objects. The only thing is they are just 3D objects. So, alright, so say you want to send it to a 3D printer, you can do that. You can also draw your own objects. I've been getting that good at this capsule thingy. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Maybe not. You get the idea. But I've done this a few times. So I made a file. And, yeah, so I'm not that great at it. Sure. And then you gotta rotate it around. Okay, there's my file. Alright, so notice it has no texture at all. This is also another file that I've programmed. Okay, so same basic concept. You're making a 3D object. When you're done, you click on export and you get a with Tinkercad, yeah, I think you get an FBX. With Paint 3D, you get OBJ. Okay, so yeah, just get creative, right? Looks like a skate park. I can, build whatever I want, right? I need a mountain. Let's see. That looks like a mountain. Okay, and then some text. I can put in whatever text I want. Okay, so then just kind of play around with it, and once you're comfortable that you've wasted everybody's time talking about nothing in particular, then you can export and make a video about nothing in particular. Okay, and you can resize your text. Yay. Bravo. Okay, we're waiting, and then, alright, here, back to my game. Here is my, hold on. Okay, so they had made, okay, so, and again, most of this is already made for me. So in this game you get to crash into a bowling pin, but I wanted to make it my custom object instead. That's still the engine rumbling. I gotta turn that off. Okay, so instead of crashing into a bowling pin, okay, I wanted to crash into my custom object. So I figured maybe I could just replace the object. I tried doing that and didn't get too far. Wasn't sure how to do that. And then yeah, so you can see I'm not really it's an object. I put it in my game, but I need to make it react like the bowling pin, which I can run over and get stuck on. See, I told you I was a terrible driver. And okay, so here's the collider. So that was one of the first things, was like, okay, I need a collider. I need a rigid body. I obviously need to make the script, the crash object script. All this stuff comes with the tutorial thing. It's like already, it's like walking into a convenience store, okay, and then I don't know what I'm saying here. Nothing important. I can already wrap it up. So basically, that's it. I just wanted to get my custom object into here, and then yeah, so just play around with it. Maybe you can figure out, how to make it explode on contact. I'm sure if you build it from separate objects, you can. There's that Lego game they had was the player is a Lego, and then if it gets shot, it explodes into pieces. I don't really know what. Don't have any point. Okay, other than just, yep. So Okay. This is so long. Oh my gosh. Dude, I could, yes, totally make this shorter. Okay, so cut that part out. Yeah. Okay. And then, I mean, okay. So again, there's my object, and I don't know. I don't. So edit collider. All I get is that little tiny dot. You see that little tiny dot right there? I don't know if that's like resize. I don't know. So here's what I have so far. I crash into a bowling pin and a fake. See, I can get it right on my head. There you go. Okay. Is this almost over? Is there anything else in this video? Probably not. Okay. Thank God it's over. Okay. Alright. Bye. Why is it still up?